Hi, my name is Ashdeep Kaur. In this video, I will explain how we can use gradient mesh tool and curvature tool to make things more realistic. So this image from internet. This is a free resource, and I created this one using gradient mesh tool to make it more real. So I will explain here in video. So here yeah, I have grouped this one. Yeah, so I use this. So create a gradient. I have to create choose gradient mesh tool and add some points. Yeah, and here both vertically and horizontally we have to add the points. Mm-hmm. One more points here, here, one more. Yeah, that's all. Then we have to select this one and we have to choose the medium shade, like we have to choose the whole. Mm, this one, just select whole and take eyedropper tool and just select the this medium color. Okay, next now we got the medium color. Later we use this one. Here we have just a little shading here. So I selected this lasso tool to select some parts and choose eyedropper tool to choose a shading. Now I have some shadings here, so I will use this one. Since this one and choose action 2 and do this one. Let's do it here. Do it again. Mm -hmm. And now use this lasso tool. Okay, then eyedropper tool and then select shading. Okay, now we are more toward this darker color, so how we can choose this one. So lasso tool, just choose this part. This is darker color, so we choose dark. And now again lasso tool. Choose darker color. Oh no, darker color. And here we have some shades like some yellow tones, so how we can add that one again using lasso tool. Here it's like some parts here and choose this light color. We can do just there, select this part and we can select form colors as well. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yellow strong. Okay. So yeah. On this one, we have to choose the color. We stay choosing. So yeah, got that. That's good. And then here some color is pink, so we use pink here. Again, lasso two and just pink color. Here we have some brown color, so choose again lasso two. We can just check how many shades we have here in the image. I choose this one and I can choose lasso two and and choose eyedropper tool and some gradient shades. Okay, so now I have to some and like here, this one, the green one, and there are some like here we have. Okay, after doing that one, we have to create these dots. So how we can create that? We have to make some dots. I will take pencil tool here. Okay, it's too big. And now, and let me try again. I need just a small dot here, and give it to color white here. Yes, white. But it's still big. I need some smaller. It's okay. Now, choose this one. Give some shading. So this is my final part, how I created this one. So this is my final version for Apple. Now I have to add some these little dots. So what I will do here, I will go to select this symbol I already created, then use this symbol spread tool and spread these all here. Yes, spread all away. You see it looks similar to that one, not too much. This is my research of this week, how we can create so this is my research of this week. So how we can use gradient mesh tool and curvature tool to create these images realistic. So this is apple, how it looks mostly I guess similar to the one, and shading of it, it looks shiny. So this is the week I did this research.